There are two major times that I would recommend switching up your workout routine, and it goes a little something like this. Now, the first one, and probably the most important one, is if your program isn't getting you results anymore. Now, this is different than if your program isn't getting results at all. If your program isn't getting results at all, it's likely because you're not trying hard enough or the program isn't any good. If you did get results on the program but aren't getting results anymore, it's likely because you may have stopped trying as hard, but likely because you have milked all of the gains, muscle, and strength you can get from the way the program is designed and set up. So that's the first time I would recommend switching up your program, trying up some different exercises, maybe even just trying different percentages of numbers, a bunch of different things. The second time I'd recommend switching up your program is if you are getting bored. Now, I wouldn't always stick to this because a lot of times programs aren't the most fun, and there is going to be a hint of boredom and repetition that comes with the program, and you do need to practice movements to get results over a long period of time. However, since getting results over a long period of time is because of doing exercise for a long period of time, you don't want to be bored to the point where you just stop working out. So even if, let's say, for example, you're somebody who gets easily bored and you're like, I'm going to try a new program every single week because I just can't stick to it. I would much rather have somebody literally switch their program every single week and do that for 3 months straight versus somebody saying, I'm going to stick to this program because it's a 3-month program and that's how I'm going to get results. And then they stop after 3 weeks of the program because they're bored. And then they get down on themselves because they couldn't stick to the program and they said, I didn't get any results. You see where I'm going with this? I'd much rather have people get in the gym and do something rather than stick to a program that's completely boring for them and doing nothing. Ideally, you would find a program before you even start it that you know might have enough variation in it for you that you aren't going to have to deal with that. So there you go. There's your opinion. Leave your comments down below on what you think.